Hi everybody, welcome. Today I'm just gonna move the saddles on the diff and get the angle right to put it on these leaf springs so I can just move this vehicle up and down. At a later stage these has to come out and has to be refurbished. I'm not worried about falling suspension and all that because I'm not going to make that much power. It's just a little 283 with a six-pack coming in here. I mean, it's not going to be a rocket, it's not going to be a race car. It's just a vehicle that you get in and cruise. That's it. Okay, let me get that diff closer. Let's get cracking. Right, let me first get this measurement as close to the leading part. 1160, 1160. 1560, 1560, 1560, 1160. Let me scribe it on here. 1560, 1160. Okay, half of that is 580. 580. So the saddle needs to be 580 away from the diff center. Let me just get the diff center. Uh, 1560 is 780. Yeah, 780. Let's just double make sure. Seven eighty. 780. Okay, there we got our mark, and let's get our mark right on the back on this cover here. 780. Closest to the saddles as possible. So our center right there. That's our center. That's where we'll be working from. Let me just get my center punch. That's it. Center punch and mark that. Now 580 I need. 580. Let me check how far out these saddles are before I start chopping. 680. Man, these things are spot on. I don't even have to cut them. 680 to the center. Okay, I can basically fit the stuff. It's going to be a short video then, guys. Later on we'll take these leaf springs out and refurbish. I can't believe this thing is the same dimensions as a Chevy Camino truck. Normally I've got to grind loose those saddles and just move them, you know. Let's just get them on a locating spring this side. There we go. check the angle. See the angle. I'm gonna have to change it at a later stage. For now, I can have it on wheels to move it and do the rest of the work. Let me start putting the El Camino's U-bolts. Can you believe it? The springs are exactly the same as in the El Camino. I'm shocked. You just push this narrow. Do that side. It's just so I can move this vehicle around. Just get my lovely hammer. These springs needs to be redone. Where's the washer? Yes, let me just get this diff in. End of the day, I can move this vehicle around for time being until I can strip it. I like to do all my mock-up and welds and everything before I paint. This is just part of it. I wonder. Inbound. I'll make a plan later for that. Maybe a special video there. Then we just get my ratchet. Alright, let me just measure both sides to make sure this is correct at least. 605. 605. Okay, start tying this down. And at the later stage, like I said, I might be going nuts and put a full link in this. Let's see, because I want to lower the vehicle as well. Not too much, but I want it low as it's sitting now a bit high. And I'll do a disc brake conversion, which we normally do. I'll post videos when this thing is on 4 wheels at least, and we'll take it from there. Before we lower down, we'll have a drivetrain in it to see the original ride height and then lower it with all the weight in the vehicle. Thank you for watching, everybody. Sorry it was such a short video. So we learn things, and so we learn to know things. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like so we can make more content. Thanks everybody. Peace out. Bye.